Ori Minister w'ebyokwerinda retired Major General Jim Muhwezi kandi orukura akakiko k'ebyenguta ha district yo mu Rukungiri ashobora ngwenguta erikuruga Rukungiri kuza Kanungu ekaremwa kukora abayinura kandi ekiriyo nkiteganisa abashobozi kutwara emishuburo yabo. Ogu hayongere yagira ngo uruguto rukuruga Rukungiri kuza Kanungu niruhisya obuhereza abantu batarukushana baramunka b'amashomero amakanisa amarwaro hamwe n'ibindi bitongore.
Sabuze Rwerere, sabuze Bugangari, sabuze Kanungu. You know, there are so many schools, both secondary and primary. There are so many institutions.
Mukoro ngo gumwe hori umunyishengero habwaro babo Honorable Naboth Namanya ashobora ngo amazira kire kinjaro kugambira abayinura aharuguto rukurga Kebison kuza Kisizi konka nabo tubarukufayo.
These people, the way they do things, I won't talk much. Right now the road between Kisizi and the Kanungu, I talked to the minister when I was almost is cut off now. Nyarushanye, they left around 15 kilometers between Minera from Kebison to Minera, okay. Then from Minera to a certain area in Buganga, they disappear.
I think you have always passed there. They were as if they were bush clearing. It was no breaking at all.
Bamwe ombataka bagambiraho na Sky TV ahambera yengutezi bashobora ngwengute zo no mu district nimbi kandi ekinkiremese ntunguka.
Uruguto rufire ku ruga Rukungiri umutawuni kuzarwere uruguto rwe na rukafa epikine zihirumamu emotoka nzihirumamu mwene usaba kugira ngo yunura nitwe twirukangere niko kwirukangera abandi
epiki nizifa bwakire bwizire nizife mikono zifa oza kushangoshanga barashatu yona tarukosha mugaraji konka kiri kunshasha munonga aberembeza aba bakija baryo mu mpare ngufu ngo tubahereza akaruru konka twubajwire mpare ningwa hati yabaturugaho.
Ebyo bikiri yaho engineer wa nguto mu district ya Rukungiri Julius Bagira agerezeho okurwanira abayinura ahabwo kuremwa kure mirimo yabo konka kitaresiriho masiko mu bantu bari mu kikoru kandi bongire no kujunana n'ikitongore nicyo kimwe.
For that case of Kisizi road, they have a contractor, but they gave instructions because of limited resources that just handle the critical sections, and those are I talked to the station manager, he told it's terrible. And actually even, was it yesterday? Yesterday, but what? They were having a planning meeting in Kampala. After the meeting, we talked still about this meeting. He said, Julius, what you have resolved, it's so terrible. We are going only to be handling emergencies, only.
Tugerezaho kugamba no manager wa Unro mu Kigeze region engineer Alson Abenabo konkese muzeti zirabiremu. Gasha kwa Ronald Kabanza wa Sky TV ya Genshonga.